The agar when we sing the that like that understanding any technique.
So you're telling me you want to learn the alapana, right? And you need to know any techniques to learn that. If I'm getting you right. No.
Yes.
Okay. So alapana is a one. It's an advanced form, right? So for that you'll have to learn the basics first. Then listen to a lot of artists, not just your guru. The guru is very important, but also listen to other artists, uh, attend workshops like these, go to classes, go to master classes, and learn a lot more. Okay, when you learn a lot more, then you get jnanam. When you get jnanam, you can apply it through whatever means. It may be an alapana, it may be a swara kalpana, it may be a neraval, anything. Okay, but for that you have to learn first. Okay, so as kids, as the first priority should be to learn the basics so that you can expand on it, expand your knowledge base, and then expand on the knowledge base itself. Okay, wonderful. Thank you for the question.